Also new at 5, courtroom cases are piling up in select courts here in our region. Some say a lack of reimbursement for court-appointed attorneys is to blame. News Channel 11's Ansley Daniel found out Tennessee has the lowest reimbursement rates for those attorneys in the country. Ansley?
Yeah, Sarah, Tennessee Supreme Court is the one pointing out the need for this change, and it's now asking the state legislature to increase that reimbursement from $50 to $80 an hour.
Caseloads in juvenile court judge Sharon Green's Johnson City courtroom are on the rise.
We are visibly more impacted by the number of cases filed by the Department of Children's Services.
Each case can require multiple court-appointed attorneys, but while demand is up, reimbursement for those attorneys isn't.
I knew that Tennessee's reimbursement rate was one of the lowest, but I was a little shocked to see it's the lowest. It has not been increased since 1997.
That rate is $50 an hour, the lowest in the country, according to the Tennessee Supreme Court, with caps for most felony defense cases that only total 30 hours worth of work.
In most of these cases, including criminal, the odds are against the person. They have to have somebody that is going to be their voice, that knows the legal system, that can adequately represent them. And without that, they get lost.
What's getting lost now is the staple of available attorneys.
Within the past, say, 2 months, we've lost 3 of some of our I'll call them heavy hitters, attorneys that represent parents and that have been very willing to represent parents.
Green says the reason is simple.
They can't support their families on the rate that is currently being paid to them. We've got one that's gone with the District Attorney General's office. We've got one that's gone with the Public Defender's office.
Green hopes the state Supreme Court coming out publicly with a strong push for a 60% increase from $50 an hour to $80 can yield results.
I am just thrilled that the Supreme Court is taking the stand that they're taking.
Like we said, they want to bump that reimbursement rate from $50 an hour to $80 an hour in Tennessee. Even with that bump, though, Virginia's hourly rate would still be higher at $90.
Ansley